Passenger drone enters flying taxi race. Joining companies like such as EHang, Airbus, Uber, Volocopter, passenger drones has entered the flying taxi race. And last week with a test flight with passenger, the aircraft, like it's amazing. And using a touch screen, passenger selects their destination and sits back, and drone takes over with the ability to travel up to 80 km per hour. And it has 16 electric engines, 16 or 12, 16, but they have multiple engines. And according to passenger drones, it has it's low noise, high speed, and economical mean of transportation, which emits zero emission. I mean, during the flights, yes, but during the production of electricity, it can be debatable. So, company says its engine system shades the complexity of most quadcopter, providing enhanced safety, performance, great payload, and range, and less noise than anything else available on the marketplace. It adds overtime VTOLs, not electric, but just VTOLs, has the potential to become a go-to form of daily transportation, surpassing that of owning a car. Air travel has historically been seen as an expensive proposition due to great part of to the small volume of the production seen today. Aerospace industry mass production of passenger drones potentially revolutionize traditional notions of transportation through air. So that is massively like exciting thing. Are you excited whether you will trade your existing supercar or premium luxury car with the like Airtaxi from Joby, Archer, EHang, Lilium, Sterling Aviation? Will you buy Airtaxi instead of buying a luxury car? Because right now a lot of predictions are there that everyday commute will be done by air taxis, and it is as of now it is convinced, it is very convincing that it can beat the traffic. But if we believe in Hollywood movies, then the traffic in the air will increase. And it's a debatable topic that when traffic in the air increases, safety concern increases. Most of the air taxis, eVTOLs, or drone taxis will be pilotless. So they will be safer for sure, but there are challenges, or there will be some challenges. And like challenges like what if everything crashes into another taxi, and the taxi falls on some houses, some buildings, or some public places? What will happen then? What if they go out of the borders, because then it is easy for them to cross the borders? Then border safety and security can be a concern. And obviously it is, you may be thinking that they will have a regulatory things in place, they will not cross the borders, but they will not cross the borders during the time when everything is fine. But what if something goes off and then they cross the borders? So a lot of other concerns are there. What concern do you have in mind? Put in the comment, and then we can discuss in our upcoming videos. And are you really excited about air taxis? Will you buy your first air taxi when it's available for public? And which one will you buy? Because right now it is estimated that it can cost you from a couple of 500K to $2 million for just one air taxi, and it can vary depending upon the productions. So let's see what we are going to get sooner or later. And are you really happy with air taxi and its mass productions? Let me know in the comment. We'll discuss in the next video.